Chatpatty Kacche Keeme kebab. To make these breakable kebabs, be sure to follow the tip given to you in the middle. Soft and juicy kebab, please follow full recipe. Bakra Eid special Chatpatty Kababs. One kilogram of beef, mutton minced. 1 onion fine chopped, small green chilies, tablespoon of coriander, roasted cumin coriander 2 teaspoon, egg 3 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, red chilies flakes 2 teaspoon as your taste, salt as taste, Sikh kebab masala 2 tablespoon. Mix well 5 minutes. Rest 1 hour in refrigerator. Frying process start. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy recipes. To make meat so that your kebabs don't break, always remember 3 things. When you drain the meat properly, there should be no water in it. When you add the onion, there should be no water in it. And when you mix it properly, when you add all the marinade, mix it well. 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to tell me in the comments which country you guys are from. I would be very happy to know. Alhamdulillah, final done.